So today we are going to do some studies for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So day 2 has begun here. So from this we have August second week. So we will do weekly analysis hereafter. Okay. So this was day 1, which is Friday, and this is day 2, which is Monday. Okay. Now let's do. So this was the open for 8th. Open and then close was down. So here it was the weak support. Okay, but here for 11th, if you check, open was down and close was up. That means here it was weak resistance. So now all the SL is gone. So tomorrow possibility is there it can go sideways, but we have some USA based news which we have to check for. Okay, this might impact our index very well. So let's wait and watch. Okay, now we will go on to the charts. So before covering the OI, we'll go to the EOD first. Then we will go to negative. So Hero Motocorp, Bell and Airtel, it is having a negative close. But on the positive side, we have Adani Entertainment 4% up, Tata Motors 3% up, and Eternal 2% up. Okay, now we will go to pre-open section to check Nifty performance. So here from 9 to 9.6, it was okayish performance. Nothing much to bother. It was a small flat open. Okay, now we'll check for all. My internet is a bit slow. Okay, so this looks as if market was positive today, or it is bullish, but it doesn't look bullish when you consider FII, because here is what FII has to say. Okay, this is buy, this is short, call short is resistance, call put is support. Now let's just do the analysis for this part. Okay, so you could see sellers are strong here and 38 versus 28, so almost here resistance is bit strong. Okay, now we would go and check for stocks is also. Okay, so we'll go for stocks. Where are the stocks? Okay, so here is the stocks. So this, right? So this is where we have to look after. So buy short is sell, call short is resistance, and call put is support. Okay, now you see here 33 and 20, so definitely here buyers are having edge, and then here 86 and 56, so resistance is also very well built up here. Okay, now we'll go to the holidays. We have this week Friday holiday, and you check stock results for 12th. A long list is there. Hindalco, Granules, Riders, and ICICI Bank. Okay, so ICICI Bank is giving the dividends tomorrow, so it will reduce down, because if they give away the dividends, then the price has to adjust to that of the dividends. So that is a chance. When you check for the economic calendar, we have two: inflation rate, and of course this is linked with USA and India. You can check the details here. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Now we have the OI. I'll check for day. So 400 and 500 is having support here for Nifty. When you check for Bank Nifty, 63,000 is been added here, that to CE. So 63, the resistance has gone too far. Now here when you check OI for Nifty, you see profit booking in the call side, but both are 144, 144. So almost tomorrow there's a chance of going sideways. Now we have Bank Nifty here, which has the similar pattern, but the resistance is bit more than the support. Okay, now we'll do a small price action comparison here. Now we'll start with Nifty. Okay, just load. Open was, I'll take Nifty chart here, and then you could clearly see open was 350. Okay, let me go to 350 then. So 350, as you could see, it was a loss making trade. So almost from 60 it went up till 290. Okay, so it's 30 points minus decay. So you could see how long straddle people are winning today. So I'm doing the profit calculation for long straddle. Let me explain that in detail. If somebody would have done the buy in both call, buy, strike, and put buy strike for the strike price 350, okay, then they would have got the profit today. How? Let's just do, because you see it was trending, open is here, close is here, so that means they are going to do a very nice profit. So 75 was the lot size, and the decay, as you could see, is 30, positive 30. Now this times this is equal to, so this is the profitable trade plus tax and brokerage. So if long straddle people are making a profit of 2250, means that is the same amount short straddle people would have been in the loss, 2250. Okay, so this is how you quickly calculate using the chart pattern in the straddle. Okay, so let me remind you, this is second week of August and day 2, again facing a loss for straddle. Okay, so let's move on. We'll go for Bank Nifty. So this is Bank Nifty price action. Bank Nifty open was 55k. Again, this was a small profit, as you could see the open and close. So here see both of them are getting, so somebody doing long straddle would have gained a profit till here, somebody who had have done short straddle here would have gained a profit here, then again long straddle somebody would have done and gained the profit up till here. So short straddle again done here would have gained the profit. So this would be a profit zone if the exact positions you know. Okay, so the market has been played between 100 points plus or minus, where both of them have got the chance. So you could see it was slow and steady, that's why both of them has the even chance of getting profit. Okay, now we have some extras that are going to be covered here. So I'll take ATM. So yesterday you saw it was 270, so today it's brought down to 250, which is very good. Now the last one I'm going to check here is the straddle. Okay, we'll go open and we'll go to OI analysis. So this is for today. So you could see how here both of them are equally managed. This shows the resistance and support OI positions. Okay, so that's it guys, thank you.